Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix the Valorant error VAN 9006, which shows this version of Vanguard requires a Windows update. So the first solution that you should take in consideration is actually updating your Windows operating system. To do so, press the Windows button, then click on the settings icon, and now in here click on Windows Update on the left pane, and on the right side click on the check for updates or resume updates depending on the option you have. Now Windows will check for updates and try to download and install the latest updates automatically. This goes both on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Afterwards, just restart your computer and you can check if the problem still persists. And lastly, another useful solution is to reset or uninstall the Valorant game. To do this, press the Windows button, then click on the settings icon. Afterwards, click on apps on the left pane, and then on the right side, click on installed apps. Now in here, just scroll down until you find the Valorant game. I'll just show you an example with a random app because I do not have the game at the moment. Click on the three dots next to Valorant, then click on advanced options. In here, make sure to scroll down until you find the reset section and you can click on the repair button. In this case, the app's data won't be affected at all. But if this doesn't work properly, you can also reset the game. In this case, the app's data will be deleted and everything will return to the default state. Otherwise, you can just uninstall Valorant and then once again reinstall it and check if the problem still persists. And that's it. Super simple, isn't it? Of course, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more quality content. Thanks for watching.